How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Manzanita channel. As you guys can tell, we're going to be doing the video a little bit differently today. Today we're actually going to be unboxing and installing RPM's new 4-stage oil catch can for the Can-Am. Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing, and I'm going to go over some things about the benefits of having a catch can and why you need one on your ride. Let's get started. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with the unboxing. This is RPM's kit that they send directly to you. It's going to come just like this. Let's go ahead and get unboxing. So as you guys can see, it comes with nice RPM logos. Very nice. Picture the keychain, very nice. Let's go with the actual catch can itself. So right here you're gonna have your modular catch can clamp. This is gonna come with everything you're gonna need to install the catch can on wherever you want on your cage. I am going to recommend you guys put like a type of foam tape on the inside. I'll show you guys during the install, just so this can grip onto the tube a lot better. So this is one piece, and it comes with the screw, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and put this onto the side. It comes with all the zip ties that you're going to need for the installation. As you guys can see, it comes with a new recirculated vent pipe with nice RPM branding on it. It's very durable, feels good. Let's put this off to the side as well. It's gonna come with the breather hose, as you guys can see. Very flexible, very strong. Put this off to the side. It's gonna come with the actual connector that's going to connect to your line and your catch can, as you guys can see. Very nice with the RPM branding. Put this off to the side. And now you also have your new, this is going to be the cap that you're going to put on your old crankcase hose. And it comes with blue Loctite. Very nice. Alright, let's put this to the side and get started with the main piece. So this is RPM's new 4-stage catch can. As you guys can see, this thing is a absolute unit. Has beautiful RPM engraved. It's made out of aluminum. As you guys can see, this is where your clamp is going to connect onto. It has this quick and easy drain for all the oil and vapors you're going to get out. As you guys can see, this thing just twists and boom, take all the nasty stuff out. So you can put the line right here. This is going to be where the breather hose comes in to just dump it somewhere. And you guys can see it has a nice little breather right there on top. Really beautiful piece by RPM. Big shout out to them for sending this out as well. And don't forget that you guys can use code Manzanita for 5% off. So go ahead and grab yourself one of these with that code. You know, get some extra protection for your car, because this is going to prevent water, oil, and all types of bad stuff from going back into your intake and into your engine, because your engine does not like burning that stuff. It can't. So this is going to prevent all of that happening, and it's going to make your engine last way longer. You're going to keep your engine way happier, and where you're going to be maintaining your vehicle more than you need to, you know. So just go ahead and pick this catch can up. It's going to do really good for your machine. This is also a universal catch can, so the mounting just becomes different depending on what car you have, but the catch can is the same. It's 4 stages. It's brand new. They just dropped it. This is the big brother to the old RPM oil catch can. So let's go ahead and get started on the actual install of this. I'm going to go through every bolt that you're going to need to take off, and let's get started. Alrighty guys, and for the tools, all you're going to be needing is some crescents, some dikes, a 5mm Allen, and a 1/4 inch extension ratchet. Alrighty, so the first step is going to be taking off this back panel right here, and you're going to want to access this crankcase. You see my extension is on it. You're going to take this crankcase hose off, As you can see, it's connecting to the intake, and all of that stuff is going straight back into your intake, which is what you don't want. So let's go ahead and get this removed, and I'll show you guys the next step. So just take this clamp off and reroute the crankcase hose to the back. As you guys can see, the crankcase hose has been pushed back, and we have this black piece right here that's sticking out. We're gonna go ahead and put the cap that RPM gave us and zip tie it down, and that's gonna be all you need for right here. Alrighty guys, and once you guys cap that first hose, you're gonna come on the exhaust side of the Can-Am, and you're actually gonna take off this bracket right there, this clamp, and it's gonna expose the crankcase hose where you can see oil already leaking out of, and all of that's going back into your engine. So as you guys can see, this is a very important upgrade. Just taking this pipe off, you guys can see all the oil and stuff that's going back into your engine. So once you remove this one, we're gonna get the new one fitted on. Alrighty guys, and to prepare the RPM catch can, what you guys are gonna be doing is you guys are gonna put this fitting right here on this side with Loctite, as well as flipping it over and putting the actual clamp, as you guys can see, the clamp on right there. This I forgot to mention this earlier, but this is a fully rotational catch can. So what that means is, let me just put this down to show you guys. So this base moves, as you guys can see. I'm gonna move the middle, and now the position is different, as you guys can see. So again, I'm gonna move it, as you guys can see. It's fully rotational. So you guys can literally mount this wherever you want on your car. It does not matter. This is fully 360 rotation, and that's all you guys are gonna need to install it. You guys are gonna need a 6mm Allen, I forgot to mention that, and that's gonna be for these Allen bolts right here. So once you guys get this situated, you guys are also gonna need a piece of foam tape to wrap around your cage. This is just to ensure you don't hear any vibrations or it just doesn't move anywhere. So let's go ahead and get this mounted up, and let's get to the next step. Alrighty guys, as you guys can see, I decided to mount it up where most people usually put their catch can. I went ahead and put the foam tape right there, as you guys can see. Make sure this thing is not going nowhere. And if I didn't make it clear earlier, the 360 rotation, as you guys can see, so this can move whichever way you want it to. Makes it really good because you can put it wherever you want it to. You know, it's self-explanatory, this moves. So once you guys have this mounted up, you guys are gonna run your new hose through the top, where the old one was, as you guys can see. Just push it in right here, tie it down, you know, the usual stuff, as you guys can see. And then just connect it on the other side, and I'll go show you guys the other side right now. Just make sure this is nice and clamped up, and we should be good to go for this side. Alrighty guys, so this is the other side. RPM does a really good job in giving you guys extra length, so just go ahead and cut off what you're not going to need. Put the clamp back on this side, you know, zip tie it up, make it look nice up there. I'm about to cut this one right here, just making it shown. So you can see I put the old plastic cover back on, as well on the other side you can tie it up to the top. And that's basically it for the install, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You know, make sure to use code Manzanita for 5% off your catch can. You can put this breather wherever you really want to. It's not necessary, you don't have to put it, but you know, you can, might as well, because you already have it. But once again guys, this is where it's gonna be. If you guys like the video, let me know down below, as well as use code Manzanita for 5% off RPM's shop. And thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next video that's gonna come out. And also thank you to RPM once again for sending this out to me. And go ahead and check out their page. They have a lot of cool stuff for side-by-sides. And that concludes today's video. Thank you guys.